Hi everyone, it's Mary again. So for the last video that I posted, we learned how to pull comps and what are the comping rules. And we also learned the benefits of pulling this comp is basically getting your after repair value or your ARV, right? Now for this video, I want to talk a little bit about, how to run numbers on your cash deal, right? So I'm not going to talk about innovation. I'm not going to talk about creative. I'm just going to focus on this video on only cash offers. So, as you can see, we have the formula right here, which is ARV multiplied by 70% minus your assignment fee minus the repairs estimate or the repairs cost. This is what I like to call the wholesaler or the wholesale rule, right? It's a rule that any wholesaler that's starting in this business is using it. Now, from my end, what I found more beneficial and a little bit more accurate than the wholesale rule is my own method of running numbers, right? So, my own method of running numbers is the same as this one, except the only difference is the 70%. Now, it doesn't make sense to me to estimate, a property that, is light repairs for the, sorry, for the property, that needs light repairs to be multiplied by 70, just like a property that needs heavy or maybe a full gut, right? So what I like to do is light for properties that needs light repairs, I want to multiply that by 75%. For properties that are medium repairs, I want to multiply that by 70%. And for the properties that are heavy, I want to multiply that by 65%. Now for the full gut, I want to multiply that by 60%. And this is your maximum allowable offer, MAO. So again, ARV multiplied by 75% for light, or ARV multiplied by 70% for medium, or ARV multiplied by 65% for heavy, or ARV multiplied by 60% for forgo. And again, this is your maximum allowable offer. Now, to get the lowest allowable offer for light is going to be multiplied by 70% for a medium is going to be multiplied by 65%. For our heavy is going to be multiplied by 60%. And for the full gut is going to be multiplied by 55%, right? And again, minus your assignment fee, minus your repairs, right? So let's say, for example, je pull my calculator right here. Our ARV in this case is 200,000. Our property is medium repair, so it needs around like 45,000 in repairs, right? So let's get, and oh, for the assignment fee that I want to get on this property, I want to get around 20,000 as assignment fee. So again, it's going to be 200,000 multiplied, because this is medium, and I want to get my maximum allowable offer, so that's multiplied by 70% minus my assignment fee, which is 20,000, minus the repair cost, which is 45. Meaning that for this property, my maximum allowable offer is going to be 75%. Sorry, 75,000, right? Now, let's calculate the lowest allowable offer for the same property. It's going to be 200,000 multiplied by 65% minus my assignment fee, which is 20,000, minus 45,000 in repairs. So that means my lowest allowable offer is 65 and my highest allowable or the maximum allowable offer is 75. Meaning if I'm negotiating with an owner, I want to first start with the lowest allowable offer and then go upwards accordingly, right? I don't immediately go upward from like 65 to 75. No, what I want to do is take it a little bit slowly. So I'm going to be 65, it's going to be 70, is going to be 72,500. It's going to be 73, and I want to try to cap it at 73. If the owner is still a little bit, doesn't really budge, then I might push it to 75. But again, I don't really want to get it at 75, which is my maximum allowable offer. I want to get it at lower than that. And remember, the lower the number, the higher your commission, right? Because the lower the number, the higher the assignment fee that you're going to get on this property. Now, this is just a quick video on how to get, the wholesale cash offer. Remember, for its ARV, multiply by your percentage, and then minus the assignment fee, and then minus the estimate repair cost, right? And then for our next video, we're going to attack novation. And then for the third video, we're going to talk about how to pull your estimate repairs. Thank you, everyone. And don't forget to go ahead and join my Discord server where I'm live so we can do underwriting together live on video with actual properties. Thank you. And I hope everyone has a good day.